Yeah. I hope I have uploaded all the notes till yesterday. Am I audible, guys? Please check your audio and video settings. Class content. Class content. Tell me here, what is this? Hibernate 412 bulk operations. Yeah, March 4th. Done. Morning 7 a.m. notes not added. Let me check once. Oh, morning notes also not added. Yeah, 1 minute. Let me do that work. Here is my 714 Cloud MS. Done. Super. Next. Yeah, give me 2 minutes. NTAJ 915 JDBC. Done, guys. Nice. Okay, Hibernate is also ready, boss. Okay. Let's go for next level discussion. New. E-Drive, class content, design pattern, 614, guys. Here, service locator design pattern. Today our discussion is on what? Service locator design pattern. Yeah. Service locator, another JWE pattern, boss. Yes, I'll upload the business delegate design pattern application. First of all, you please listen service locator. Shall we get into the discussion of service locator? I hope everyone enjoyed business delegate. 3 use cases of business delegate. Can you spell out? Can you spell out the 3 use cases of business delegate to me? Can you spell out the 3 use cases of business delegate to me? Please type in the chat box. Okay, guys. Tell me what is next. Service locator. Okay, guys. Tell me the service logics that are used in only inside the project. Only inside the project are called local services. are called local services. Come on. The service logics that are used only inside the project are called local services. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Are called only local services. Yeah. Now listen. Business delegate class logics are called local services, guys. What do you say? Logics are called local services. The service logics that can be accessed and used. Okay. From different other projects. Different other projects are called external services. What, guys? External services or distributed components. Distributed components, guys. Distributed components. Examples for these external components are external services are GPay. GPay is developed for one bank or lots of banks? Lots of banks. GPay is developed for one e-commerce website or lots of e-commerce websites? Okay. Respond, dirty fellows. One e-commerce website or lots of e-commerce website? Lots of. GPay is not developed for certain thing, guy. Phone Pay, Bharat Pay. Come on. Okay. GPay, Phone Pay, Bharat Pay. Okay. Next. Next one. ICC score component. ICC score component. Bombay Exchange component. Weather report component. And etc. Weather report component and etc. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? The service logics that are used only inside, guys. Examples. Okay, logics inside. Logics inside e-commerce website. E-commerce website. Website like Flipkart.com to calculate bill amounts. To calculate bill amounts. Come on. To simply calculate bill amounts, guys. To calculate bill amounts, discounts. Okay. Okay. Applying coupons and etc. They are local services. But GPay, PhonePe, Bharat Pay, ICC score component, these are not developed for one web component. They are developed using this. Okay. Tell me, guys, to make our logics as our services as external services or distributed components. Okay, we need to distributed components. Come on. we need to take the support of mm, distributed technologies. What guys? We need to take the support of distributed technologies like EZB, RMI. All these are old guys, old. EZB, old. Then web services. Here is my EZB, here is my RMI, here is my web services. Right, guys. Array REST API, boss. When I say web services, SOAP web, SOAP REST based. SOAP REST based, guys. Here we are having what? EZB here, RMI here, web services here. Are you comfortable, guys? This is my web services, guys. To make our logic services as external services or distributed component, we need to take the support of distributed technologies. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Okay, boss. Now tell me. The distributed components. The distributed component keeps their services. The distributed component keeps our external components. External component keeps their component details in detail in special registries, guys. In special registries to expose the details to different local or remote client projects. Different local or remote client projects. Tell me, guys, in special registries to expose the details to different local or remote client projects. What is that? The special registries are like JNDA registry. Come on. Special registries are like UDDI registry and etc. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Array, they will be placed in registries, Ra Babu. I am able to use GPay, X can use, Y can use, Z can use. That means they are keeping in a common and global place for exposing the details. I am offering design pattern batch. How you will know? I am telling to each and every student personally, no. I kept my batch details in Naresh IT. Naresh IT is bit popular. Naresh IT is bit reputed organization. You all approach Naresh IT, you find my batch and you have subscribed to my batch. What do you say, guys? You found my batch and subscribed to my batch. This is actually happened, right? You can feel me as come on. You can feel me as external component, right? You can fill me as external component. Naresh IT as what? J&A registry. Okay, where my details are there. It's where my details are there. Are you getting my point? And all you students are like client applications. I am GPay, Naresh IT is registry. You all are e-commerce websites. I am weather report component. Naresh IT is like registry. You all are website displaying weather report. I am like BSC stock exchange component. My details are there with what? Naresh IT. Like that is like registry. You all are what? Okay, different stock market trading applications like Zerodha, Upstock, X, Y, Z, Sharecon. So many things are there or not? Sharecon, like this, we are having multiple things or not, guys? I think you got the clarity, guys. Super, boss. The remote or local client applications or projects searches for the remote or local client applications or projects searches for the come on external external components or external services or distributed components. External services or distributed component in what registry, guys? In JNDI registry or UDDI registry. In J&A registry or UDDI registry, and gets reference from those registries. In order to consume the services of come on external service or distributed component. In order to consume the external service or distributed component. I hope you convinced, my dear. Come on. Confidently convinced or not? External service or distributed component. Shall we get into the next level discussion, my dear? Yes, let's get into next level discussion. What is our next level discussion? Here is the story. Okay. Okay, some use cases I will give, guys. Yeah, J&A registry for RMI is AB, guys. UDDA registry for web services. Okay, some use cases. Use cases. Tell me. Flipkart, Amazon. Okay, next one. Myntra, Snapdeal. Tell me other things, guys. Lot of e-commerce websites are there, na? Snapdeal, Misho. Misho is different, Rabo. Snapdeal and etc. are what is that? Client applications using Okay, using GPay, Phone Pay, Bharat Pay, and etc. Bharat Pay and etc. Come on, guys. External services. Bharat Pay and external services. Next was next word. Sharekhan. Sharekhan. Next. Sharekhan. Next one. Upstocks. Next. Zerodha. Okay. Paise. Angel One, and etc. are client application using using BSC, NSC, National Stock Exchange components. Components and etc. as the external services. Cool, guys. Tell me next one. Next one. Okay. What is next one, guys? What are the website displaying score cricket board, guys? ICC cricket code. ICC Crickbuzz. Tell me Crickbuzz. Tell me Crickinfo. Crickbuzz, Crickinfo. Tell me next. Dream11. Yes. Dream11. We have a lot of other things, na. ESPN Sports. Next, My 11 Circle. My 11 Circle and etc. are the client application. Are the client applications using ICC score component. What is this? ICC score component. ICC score component as the external service. I think you got the clarity, boss. I think you got the clarity. World is full of interlinkings, boss. Okay, world is full of interlinkings, na, boss. Yeah, there is one more thing. These are for UPI payments, guys. Are the client applications using for bank card payments also will be there, na? For card payments, different brokers will be there. PayPal. Okay, tell me. For comment, no, master different. Okay, Paynimo. All these are what? For card payments. Paynime, Roser Pay, Payu as the external services. No. GPay is a UPI payments. This comes under which category? UPI payments category. This comes under which category? UPI payments category. UPI payments category. Right. Sorry, this comes under card payment category. Both are not same, right? Dirty fellows. I'm saying card payment, bank payments. Again, you say same. Card payment ra, credit card, debit card payment ra, babu. Arey, okay. Yeah, lot of application will try to use one or other external service. Right, boss. Crickbuzz.com. Crickbuzz.com using okay ICC score component. ICC score component. Come on. ICC score component services. ICC score component. This is nothing but external service, guys. Crickbuzz.com using ICC score component. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Yeah. But right now, I'm not explaining solution. I'm explaining problem only. Shall we start understanding the problem, guys? Right. Let's understand the problem first. The problem is here. Okay. Here is my get underscore scores.jsp. Get underscore scores.jsp. Here I am having, okay. Here I am having two hyperlinks. Are currently running matches, it will display, guys. So whatever matches you want, you can see it. India versus Pakistan. India versus Pakistan. England versus, okay, Australia. I'm just trying to make interesting, boss, because cricket match means everyone will become alert. You can take stock market example also. It's up to you. It's up to you, right? Again, one more MVC, guys, in a different angle. Okay, here what I am sending along with the request, match ID is equal to 1001. Again, match ID is equal to 1000. Match ID is equal to 1001. Again, match ID is equal to 1000. Match ID is equal to 1001. Again, match ID is equal to 1000. Clear, my dears? Got the clarity, boss? Come on, are you with me? Super. Tell me here what is there? Controller servlet. Main controller servlet component. Main controller servlet component, guys. Yes, this is my business delegate class. Yeah, right now I'm not highlighting, it is using its local database. I'm just highlighting it is its business delegate. Business delegate class, guys. Okay, what is this? Score management business delegate. Main controller servlet. Yeah, there will be network, guys, no doubt in that. Okay. This is crickbuzz.com. 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 Yeah, crickbuzz.com. This is in India. India website, guys. It's a website. Right. No doubt there is a network, guys. Here is the network. Here is the network. Tell me. This is ICC Dubai. International Cricket Council Dubai, guys. This is simply nothing but ICC, International Cricket Council Dubai. Tell me, guys, here is the database. Let us assume some people are updating the database of this ICC score component continuously. Whenever match is happening, score will be updated to this database. Okay, now tell me, score is available in ICC Dubai location database software, and score management wants to get the score. Come on, score management wants to get the score. Tell me how it will happen? How ClickBuzz people will display the score? You tell me, you analyze and tell me how ClickBuzz people will display the score, guys. How the ClickBuzz people will display the score? Can I talk about each and every alternate? Yeah, option number one. Option number one, send one person to ICIC Dubai, match happening area. He will send WhatsApp text message, and ClickBuzz people will update the score. Is it going to work out? Is it going to work out? Lot of manual dependency on that or not? It is having a lot of manual dependency or not? Is it really going to work out, boss? Is it really going to work out, boss? I want reply. Arey, watch live TV. Arey, live TV will be having one too. Okay. Arey, sending person to match happening area, getting what score and updating score is really, because there is a possibility of human mistakes, right? There is a possibility of human errors, right? People may not believe our website. So ruled out. Another option. Arey, ICC Dubai is maintaining database having updated score every time. Get username, password, URL, driver class name to connect to this database. Give to what? ClickBuzz people. ClickBuzz people will use one DAO. Using the DAO, they connect to this database and they get access to what? Score. But what is the problem in this, guys? What is the problem in this? Array, ClickBuzz people are connecting to database by submitting username, password. They get full control on database. They get unrestricted access on database content, right? They get unrestricted access on database content. Good content, good control on database content. Unrestricted access on database content. Come on. They may disturb other scores or not. They may update other scores or not. Is it recommended? Some people may damage. For example, ClickBuzz is getting more viewers, more advertisement, more money. His competitor ClickInfo is not getting more money, more viewers, more advertisement. In frustration, he may disturb the data of the database software or not. If data of the database software is disturbed, everyone will be disturbed or not. If the data of the database software is disturbed, everyone else will be disturbed or not. I want reply, my dear. I want reply, my dear. Come on. I hope you convinced, my dear. So that's why passing username password is ruled out, right? Number 3, we develop one distributed component, nothing but external component. What is that? ICC score component. Not we develop, they develop. ICC people will develop. ICC score component. It talks to database software, gets the score. Tell me, guys, when certain application is talking to database software, and if you have access to that component, the client application fellow can do only those operations on the database that is allowed by application or not. That is seriously, literally allowed by application or not. Are you understanding my statement? That seriously, literally allowed by application or not? That is seriously, literally allowed by application. Are you getting my point here, guys? Are you understanding my statement here, boss? Come on. Got the clarity, boss? Here is my J&A history. Every external component should be placed here or not? Yes. External component. J&A history. Yes. External component. Details are placed here. Okay. Nickname or J&A name. ICC score component reference. ICC score component reference, guys. Are you with me, guys? ICC score component reference was super. Definitely here, what is there? ICC score component reference. Tell me, guys, here is my public int, public string only, fetch score. What is the method? Fetch score into MID. Here is the logic. Here is the logic. I am not involving microservices, Rabab. Right now, I am not involving any kind of microservices. I'm just explaining with a distributed component. That's it. Yes, this is external component, my dear. External component. External component. Yes, boss. Its services are binded here, resisted here. This is a J&A name. Here is my what? J&A name. Here is my what? External component reference. Here is my external component reference. Cool. India versus Pakistan. We clicked on that hyperlink. From there it comes here. From there it comes here. Okay, what is this? Public string find score is the method. Int match ID. Int match ID. Yeah, first what? Get external component. Get external component reference using JNDI code. JNDI lookup code. Using JNDI lookup code. Using JNDI lookup code. Invoke the external component business. External component business. Invoke the external component business method. Right, guys? Return result. Return result, nothing but score, guys. Return score. Whatever score comes, we would like to return. Whatever score comes, we would like to return, boss. Yes, boss. Now tell me here what it will do. It contacts, guys, gets the external component reference, guys. It contacts, guys, gets the external component reference, guys. Super. Nice, nice. Gets the external component reference. Once it gets the external component reference, yeah, external component reference, ICC component reference dot. What is the method I have taken there? Fetch square. Okay. Get square. What is the method, guys? Any idea? Okay. Fetch score. Okay. Reference dot fetch score. Fetch score of MID. Fetch score of MID. Here, what is the variable? String score is equal to. String score is equal to. String score is equal to. Yes, here is my return score, guys. Fine, boss. Written score. Done. Yeah. Tell me next one. Next one. Here. Invoke business delegate method. Invoke business delegate method. Right. This is my invoke business delegate method and get result. Okay. Tell me guys. Delegate dot string score is equal to delegate dot find score of MID. Find score of MID. Next, find score of MID. Keep the result in what scope? Request scope. Keep the result in what scope, guys? Request scope. Keep the result in request scope. Super. Next, keep the result in request scope, guys. Okay. Request dot set attribute score comma score. Score comma score, guys. Keep the result in request scope, guys. Done. After that, what next? Forward to display underscore score dot JS. Forward to display underscore score dot JS. Request dispatcher RD is equal to request dot get request dispatcher of display underscore score dot JSP. Display underscore score. RD dot forward request comma response. Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah. Because of this, what happens, tell me? Because of this, what happened? Control comes to display underscore score dot JSP. Yes, here is my display underscore score dot JSP. Yes, some logic, guys, to format the results. Okay, presentation logic. What logic, guys? Presentation logic. Nice, boss. Tell me here what is there. This is number one request. Nice. Number two, invoking the method. Number three, contacting and getting the external component reference. Yes. Number four, invoking the business method. Babu. Invoking the business method of external component. That is number 4, guys. That is number 4. This is number 5, guys. Done. Okay. Number 6. Number 6. This is number 6. Are you comfortable, guys? Are you understanding my statement? That is number 6. Tell me. Yes. Once number 6 is over, guys. Yeah. Tell me next. From there, control goes to this place. Fetch score, find score method na boss. Yes, this return score will address here. Yes, boss. The result will come here. Result goes there. Result goes there. Tell me. We are keeping in request scope because of RD dot forward. Control comes here. That is number 8. And you know that no JSP will give directory response in MVC. Okay, because of RD dot forward, again control comes back to this. You know that point. Yeah, here presentation logic executes, guys, to format the result. Number 10 here was done. And number 11, response goes to browser. Number 11, response to browser. This is number 11. Clear, my dears? Got the clarity? Who is talking to business delegate guy? Business delegate is directly invoking methods of external component. Did you notice it here? Okay. Different options for ClickBuzz. ClickBuzz.com to display the updated scores. Okay, option number 1. Send a person to match area. Get the up-to-date scores. Up-to-date score. Minute by minute through phone. Minute by minute through phone. Come on. Through phone and and render in the website. Render in the website, guys. And render in the website. Got the point, my dear? Simply render in the website. Literally render in the website. Okay. Tell me. Okay. Lot of manual practice. Lot of manual practice. Not recommended. Super. Next one. Okay. ICC organization provides its database, username, password details. It's a database username, comma, password details. It's a database username, comma, password details. Username, comma, password details. Understanding my point? In it's a database username, comma, password details to ClickBuzz people. ClickBuzz.com. Okay. ClickBuzz.com to connect to that database software to get tell me, unrestricted to get data, to get score from ICC database software, ICT database software direct. What's the problem, guys? This gives unrestricted access to what, guys? Unrestricted access to database software. This gives unrestricted access to database software. Okay, so unrestricted access to database software. So ClickBuzz.com may corrupt the database software data. May corrupt the database software data. Number C, guys. Tell me, what is the another option? ICC develops one external component, external service or distributed component called ICC score component, keeps its details in J&A registry to expose to multiple organizations, to expose to multiple clients like ClickBuzz, Crickinfo, and etc. Okay. Okay. This is best practice. This is best practice because all the client applications, what, guys? All the client applications, all the client applications tell me, access the database software of ICC having some restrictions. Okay, having some restriction. What a score component allows that only they can do now, boss. So this is best, guys. This is best. Okay, diagram is showing exactly that, right? This is best. Diagram also showing exactly that or not. Okay. According to the diagram, I think the way I brought the things, you understood, guys. Google Pay separate organization, Flipkart separate organization. How they are talking with each other, you got the idea? The people who studied web services, all these are nothing. The people who don't know web service, at least you understood the importance of web service. Now at least you understood the importance of web service. GPay, all these applications are developed using what? Web services concept only. No web service, no business. Okay. No web service, no business. Okay, guys, come on. Are Varda Santosh, if ICC's core component is there in EasyAB, client should be there in Java. If ICC's core component is there in web services, client can be there in any language, right? I think you know the advantage of web services, right? According to the diagram, business delegate is interacting with external service or distributed component directly to consume its services. That is according to the diagram, boss. Okay, that's a problem. It's not a solution. Still, I have not explained the problem completely, my dear. Okay, if the external component is there in EasyAB or RMI. EasyAB or RMI. Here external component is nothing but ICC's core component. Then the client applications like ClickBuzz, ClickInfo should also be there. In Java. Should also be developed in Java language. Got the clarity, boss? If the external component, ICC's core component is there in web services, what guys? Web services. The client applications like ClickBuzz, ClickInfo can be developed in any language like Java, .NET, PHP, Python, and etc. .NET, PHP, Python, and etc. guys. I hope you are understanding my statement. Sir, where is the problem, sir? Are a business delegate talking to external component, he is having some issues. Business delegate talking to what? External component is having some issues. Okay, those issues and problems, those issues I will talk tomorrow, and ServiceLocator is the solution for that problem. I hope you understood. Still, I have not given solution. Still, I have not explained the problem. Business delegate directly talking to J&A registry, directly performing lookup operation, directly getting external component reference, right? External component reference. That is having some problem. I will explain those problems and I apply the solution through ServiceLocator in tomorrow's class. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow.